In this video guide, I will give you recommendations on how to get rid of the online scam that comes from the site thesafezone.xyz. And this is the scam claiming to be Windows Support Alert and quoting this telephone number 1-844-394-1764. It also quotes some error code, but this is a fake error code, and the entire alert is also fake and not decent. You should be very careful not to trust all these deceptive pop-ups. They are misleading, and they are the result of some adware on your computer or in your browser. Do not call this fake Windows support number. If you call it, you may hear some online hackers who will try to connect to your computer remotely, and then they may infect it even more horribly and demand from you to pay money to get it fixed. Don't trust these deceptive alerts. Don't interact with them. Just leave this page. I recommend that you also carefully research the control panel. Make sure you carefully research the list of programs and uninstall any applications that are not familiar to you. To make sure that the system is free of any other hidden threats, I do recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official page combocleaner.com, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software, and begin researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.